damat.
Why are you talking like that?
I'm getting ready for the next act.
Let me guess. He's singing a Bob Marley song.
He is. Here's Connor Holman with Three Little Birds.
Yeah, Mom.
No worries about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. No worries about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. Three little birds peeped from my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melody pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, no worries about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. No worries about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. Three little birds peeped from my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melody pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, no worries, don't you worry about a thing. No, don't you worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. No worries, don't you worry about a thing. No, don't you worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing, everything's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. No worries.
I think it's fabulous that these kids are so entertaining. What a diverse group of talents and interests.